Hi everybody, it's Paul with Outside Holsters. This is the Kel-Tec P-17. I get a lot of requests for a holster with this, with a weapon light attached. This is the Streamlight TLR7A. What I did was I pulled the insert out of the gun. Pulled the insert out of the light, and just hard mounted the weapon light to the gun. It's very sturdy. Works really nice. A small threaded muzzle protector. This is the holster. Works with our belt slide, our X loop, and a paddle. Enough room for a small red dot, open muzzle, large compensators, anything like that will stick out of the bottom of the gun, but any thread protector will fit fine. The holster is ready on the site and available. Thank you very much.